Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Seriously True. How are you doing? Hope your lockdown period is going smooth and safe. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about robot. Yeah, you heard it right. We're going to know what a robot is. So let's start the video. A robot is an automatic machine which can work like a human being. It can replace man in various branches of scientific and industrial tasks because it does not suffer from human limitations. It may or may not resemble a human being but definitely can work like him. The robots which resemble humans are called androids. The word robot was first used in the play Rossum's Universal Robots by the Czechoslovak dramatist Karel Capek, who has derived it from a Czech word bota, which means a forced or bounded laborer. The Industrial Revolution and automations stimulated the invention of robotic devices to perform certain human tasks. A human worker, however superb a craftsman he may be, has certain limitations. He cannot work continuously in a hostile environment. He cannot work for long hours because he gets tired. He may be in short supply and hence expensive to hire. Modern industrial robotic devices aim at substituting a machine with man in hostile environments, cutting costs by replacing expensive manual labor with cheap dependable machines and providing versatile all-purpose robots or mechanical devices at predictable costs. Robot is such a machine which does not get tired, does not go on strike and does not demand increase in salary. Robots can perform a variety of jobs such as welding and painting a car, house cleaning, cutting the grass of a lawn, working in nuclear plants and traveling to space. Robots of higher level are capable of adapting to changes in environment. They are also capable of making decisions with the help of computers and artificial intelligence. A more complex robotic device in modern transportation is the automatic aircraft pilot, which can control routine flights. An android robot named Shaki robot was developed at Stanford Research Institute in California to do a variety of research jobs. Japan has the largest number of robots in the world. The United States of America, Britain, Germany, Sweden, Italy, Poland, France, India, etc. are also using robotic devices for different purposes. All these devices are controlled by computers. So guys, now you know what a robot is. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If so, do click on the like button. Do share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep watching Seriously True. We will be back with a new video soon. Thank you.